The sun hangs low, painting the Sahara in fiery orange and violet. Below, an endless ocean of sand stretches to infinity, each dune a frozen wave, sculpted by millennia of wind. The silence is profound, broken only by the faint sigh of the breeze. This world of stark beauty feels ancient and permanent, a testament to endurance. As night falls, the stars emerge in a dazzling canopy, revealing the cosmos in its true majesty. Here, one feels impossibly small, a fleeting observer in a landscape shaped over eons. Yet, beneath this barren expanse lies a secret. The Sahara was not always a desert. Etched into the rocks and buried in the sand is evidence of a world transformed. Once, this golden sea was water, alive with the sounds of countless creatures. The Sahara is not just a desert, it is a sleeping giant. Its history a reminder that even the most permanent landscapes are only chapters in Earth's story. What if this silence was once filled with life? To uncover the Sahara's lost world, we must look closer, at ancient rock art deep in the desert. These engravings show giraffes, hippos, and crocodiles, creatures of water and grass, not sand. This is the art of people who lived in a land of abundance, not a barren wasteland. Modern satellite imagery reveals the ghosts of ancient rivers, some wider than the Nile, and the outlines of vast lakes. Lake Megachad, once the largest freshwater lake on Earth, left its mark as a faint ring in the sand. Fossils of fish and turtles, found far from any water, are time capsules from a vanished ecosystem. Between 11 and 5,000 years ago, during the African Humid Period, the Sahara was lush and green. Archaeologists have found settlements, pottery, and cattle bones, evidence of thriving human communities. People hunted, fished, and herded livestock across grassy plains. For thousands of years, the Sahara was a bridge, not a barrier, a corridor connecting Africa. The echoes in the dust reveal a world so different from today, glimpsed only through these ancient traces. The Sahara's transformation is written in its rocks, fossils, and forgotten rivers. Its past is a vivid reminder of nature's power to change. What caused this paradise to vanish? The answer lies far beyond the desert itself. How did a green Sahara become the world's greatest desert? The answer begins with Earth's slow cosmic dance. Our planet wobbles on its axis, a cycle called precession, shifting the timing of the seasons over thousands of years. When the northern hemisphere tilted closer to the sun in summer, North Africa received intense heat, powering a strong monsoon. Moisture-laden winds brought life-giving rains deep into the Sahara, sustaining lakes, rivers, and grasslands. But as the wobble continued, the alignment shifted. Summers cooled, the monsoon weakened, and the rains retreated. Within centuries, around 5,000 years ago, the rain stopped, lakes evaporated, rivers dried, and grasslands withered. Dunes advanced, burying the green world beneath sand. Animals migrated or perished. People moved east, many to the Nile Valley. The Sahara's transformation was rapid in geological terms, a paradise lost to aridity. The desert we know today was born from this great drying. The story of the Sahara is one of dramatic natural change. But could it change again? What if the cycle turned once more? Imagine rain returning to the Sahara after millennia. Dark clouds gather over the Tenere. A single raindrop falls, then a torrent. The parched earth drinks greedily. The scent of rain fills the air. Ancient riverbeds awaken with flash floods, reshaping the land. Depressions like the Bodolay begin to fill and the ghost of Lake Megachad stirs. Shallow lakes form, transforming ochre sands into a mosaic of blue and green. Dormant seeds sprout. Grasses and acacias reclaim the desert. Over generations, scrubland becomes savanna, dotted with woodlands and rivers. Life returns. Gazelles, lions, elephants, and birds follow the green. Lakes teem with fish. Crocodiles and migratory birds thrive. The Sahara becomes a destination, not a barrier. A new Serengeti awakening from slumber. A new chapter for life in Africa begins. The desert's silence is broken by the sounds of renewal. Could this vision become reality? A green Sahara would reshape human destiny. Vast fertile lands could support agriculture, creating a new breadbasket for Africa. Farming communities would rise, cultivating soil untouched for millennia. New cities would emerge by lakes and rivers, designed for sustainability and powered by solar energy. These hubs would drive innovation, trade, and culture, attracting people from across the continent. Nations like Libya, Algeria, and Niger would gain productive land, easing population pressures. The Trans-Saharan Highway would become a bustling corridor, uniting Africa. The desert, once a symbol of hardship, would become a symbol of hope and renewal. A green Sahara would inspire pride and possibility, a second Genesis for Africa. The story of humanity would gain a new, hopeful chapter. The transformation would echo far beyond the continent. The greening of the Sahara would ripple across the globe. Today, Saharan dust fertilizes the Amazon and shapes weather patterns far away. A green Sahara, with its soil bound by roots, would end these massive dust storms. The Amazon might struggle without its mineral lifeline. Atlantic hurricanes could intensify. Ocean chemistry would shift, affecting marine life at the base of the food web. The greening of one region could disrupt another, a reminder of Earth's interconnectedness. Closer to home, monsoon rains would alter weather across Europe and the Middle East. The Nile's flow could change, reshaping Egypt's lifeblood. A green Sahara offers hope, but also complex challenges. Our planet's climate is a delicate balance. Every change has consequences. The Sahara's transformation would be both a gift and a test. In our interconnected world, no event is truly local. The future depends on how we respond. We stand at the edge of this imagined future, a green, vibrant Sahara. New cities, thriving farms, and teeming ecosystems transform the continent. This is not fantasy. The geological record proves it has happened before. Earth's cycles suggest it could happen again. The Sahara story is not over. Its desert chapter is just an interlude. But today, human-driven climate change is rewriting the script at unprecedented speed. The Sahara teaches us that climate shifts have winners and losers, and that Earth is a single, integrated system. The future of the Sahara, and our planet, is being written now. Will we learn from the past and preserve the balance, or push the system beyond its limits? The sleeping giant of the Sahara reminds us, landscapes, like life, are always changing. What they become next may depend on us. The unwritten chapter is ours to shape.